you're wondering what I need, it's just time for you and me. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Busy season has now begun. That's right. Usually you get people booking last minute February, and then March it really picks up and people start booking in advance. There's just all types of people in this world. There's people like you and me who are interested on capitalizing and taking advantage of this wave we have coming in as photo boothers. So I'm here on Snappic right now. Account type is Enterprise. I like the Enterprise account because it includes one device and one sharing station license, along with the video effects that really are amazing. Now, what does this mean? The Enterprise comes with one device and one license for a sharing station. Okay, one license per each. That means that the device that I'm using to record the 360 booth session is my iPhone 13, and the iPad that I'm going to be using as an iPad sharing station is my iPad 6th generation, older generation. But now, because it's busy, I need to include a photo booth, a digital photo booth, right? So now I have to pay for an extra license to get another device, right? So this means that my iPad Air 5th generation is going to be at the event taking photos, GIFs, burst, and then my iPhone 13 second device is going to be recording the 360 booth sessions, and my older iPad 6th generation is going to be acting as a sharing station for my 360 booth sessions. I hope that was very clear to you guys, because at first for me it was a little confusing, I ain't gonna lie. If I go to add here on the device, because like I said, I need to be working both of my machines. Well, I have more than one machine, but if you're at an event and someone wants a bundle, digital photo booth and a 360 booth, you're gonna have those running simultaneously, right? So 30-day license is gonna run me $99 for the entire month, and I can use it the full 28 days, 38 days, not 38, but 30 days depending on the month. And it gives you options. Snappic gives you options to either do the 1 month or even up to 6 months, but I like sticking to the 1 month. A lot of flexibility. Thank you, Snappic, for setting it up this way for me. I don't really like contracts and stuff like that, only when it comes for me to send out a 360 booth contract to my client. So let's go, baby. So, okay, $100 for one device. So I am ready to rock. And guys, keep in mind that on minimum, say for example, you are renting out a digital booth once a week, just once a week for a month. That's 4 times. You guys can make on your digital booth, right? You guys can make anywhere from $350 to maybe $500 per booking when it comes to the digital booth. So $100 really is a great investment. Now, a way that I can save you guys money here on Snappic is if you guys use the link in the description box below, you will get 10%, ladies and gentlemen. But let me be clear. If you guys have had Snappic in the past, I don't think that 10% will be able, you won't be able to apply it because you were previously with Snappic. This is for folks that are brand new to Snappic. You can take advantage of that 10% off on a monthly subscription, guys. I hope that helps. And then I'm just going to go to next right here and then check out. So I hope this video helps. Good enough. You know, things are changing. And I just want to say, guys, good luck on your next event. Peace.